Para we'll see.
Yan. Short, tube with matching, plastic na, tawag na, straps ng bra. Pareho kay mami, may plastic na bra straps.
Actually, the pieces, if you take it separately, if you take it apart, okay siya,
Okay,
diba?
yes.
But if you put it together that way, masyado siyang dalaga for...
Masyadong daring na, no?
Siguro imagine mo the shorts with sneakers.
So, mami, ano sinasabi mo sa kanya pag ayaw mo na suot niya?
Sabi ko, wag yan, kasi palitan mo, kasi nga medyo sexy para iwas. Minsan kapag nagmo-morning,
Pag lumalabas siya, nagme-makeup din siya, hindi naman.
minsan lang din. Talagang after siya sa dress, mga sexy dress.
Okay. Kasama pa rin natin si Miss Ria, a psychologist from PsychConsult to give tips and advice to mommy especially, and to our viewers who are tuned in now. This is normal, right? She's not the only mom who has this kind of problem.
Oh yes, it's quite normal to have adolescents, especially 12, 13 years old, who want to explore their identity. They very much are they copy their idols or their role models. In this case, maybe even mommy is a role model for Maiko, diba? As she said, minsan nga naghihiraman pa sila ng damit. So this is part of her way of expressing her need of self-expression and her identity. So it's quite normal.
Maiko, ikaw, na-hurt ka ba? Or naiinis ka sa mami mo pag wag ka nga musuot ng ganyan, magpalit ka ng damit, naiinis ka every time ginaganon ka niya?
Minsan lang po.
Minsan lang.
Pero pag sinabi ni mommy na magpalit ka, nagpapalit ka kaagad.
Opo.
What advice can you give to moms? Kasi not all kids naman are like Maiko na masunurin.
Probably one thing you can do, mom, is to open lines of communication with Maiko. Explain to her kung bakit ayaw mo yung ganon, diba? You can explain that it doesn't suit her at this point in time. And also perhaps, mom, you can consider also what you are showing to Maiko at this time, diba? Because very impressionable yan. So if you want her to be a certain way, you also have to exhibit these behaviors to her.
Okay.
So, dapat yung mga mommies din, dress up according, para kasi syempre, tayo yung una nakikita ng mga anak natin, di ba? So, paano yun? So, si mami, hindi siya pwede mag-sexy
Hindi
outfit.
naman, pwede pa rin. Pero dapat
Mukhang
explain
siya.
kung
Kasi
bakit.
nananatang ito kung bakit nagugulang buhay ni Maiko ay si mother.
Ito tone down natin yun.
Oo, ito tone down natin ng konti ang get up ni Maiko. Witness the transformation after the break.